There's another non-stop service. Let's get ready. You can just see the headlights. So I thought it's a 387 by the looks of things. You can tell on there. It says train now approaching. Doesn't stop here. I'm waving. Let's hope that there's some tones. C2C. Former C2C is the best. C2C didn't own that many, so that's cool. So this is going to be called Fast Trains at Stevenage. Anyways, enjoy. Look, that's quick. I wonder what train it is. Let's stand clear, because we're getting quite close. Let's do some train spotting. Oh, looks like an Azuma.
And that wasn't an Azuma with a horn.
Yeah, that was a very kind lady. That's very quick. Whoa! Oh, look.
There's another time.
I know, I'm filming. I was already filming when I saw the headlights. Look, it's a class 387. I wonder, will it do tones? Yeah, thank you. That's cool. Thank you. Look, it's a non-stop train on that platform. Oh, it's freight. Oh, it's class. Wait, no, it's a class 66. It's 66 100, and it's an empty freight. It's empty, so yeah. Oh wait, no, it's got a bit of freight on it. It's got a bit of freight. Hasn't got a lot. I wonder, does it have a class 66 on the rear? That would be so cool if it did. But anyway, that's 66 100. Passing Stevenage platform 1. I got really excited with the Grand Central train passing because it was the one with the green stripe, which means it was the one that had coaches with corrosion. Look, there's a passing train on platform 2. Oh wow. Look, there's a non-stop class 387 by the looks of things. It's 387116.
I thought that scared me so much. I can't.
Oh! Look at that, that's coming at speed. You can probably tell on there it says stand clear of the platform edge. The next train may not stop here. Well, it's certainly not. It's saying that. It's saying, oh, you can hear it coming. Oh look. Look, it was 106. Oh look. Oh, be careful. It's passing. Well, I wonder what it is. It's probably like an Azuma or a Grand Central. It's not a 387 because I can tell by the lights.